of victory by proactively taking the steps that you need to make your business succeed. Step 1, sign up for Bigly Sales. Step 2, book a half-hour phone call with customer success so we can do everything for you. We'll get your data imported. We'll get you set up. We'll get your first campaign launched. We'll show you how to segment your data. We'll show you how to do everything. Just book a call with us. Book a half-hour call. There's no cost. We will get you started, soup to nuts. You know, we're going to get you going at 100 miles an hour, ready to hit the ground running, you know, like a rocket ship as soon as you sign up for this thing. So sign up right now. Book that half-hour meeting. Let us do everything for you. Let us train you, show you how to use it, get your first campaigns going, get all your data segmented, right? Invite your whole team and get everyone working on this together.